What's going on, Noir gang? So sorry about the ghetto lighting, but I just wanted to kind of do a quick intro. If you guys don't already know, Central and South Florida is getting hit by a Category 4 hurricane. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put out footage. I'm realistically more concerned for the property, and we're trying to just kind of stock up and get ready. So this is, you know, I just wanted to kind of drop an update video, do some point of view stuff, maybe shoot a couple of planes and all that. You know, a lot of us are actually pretty concerned. South Floridians are known for kind of just like not really caring, but you know, this time is actually pretty serious. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys. I don't know. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun on the streets. Woo. Dude, the lightning right now, bananas, bro. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but over there and over here has been some crazy lightning. Kind of don't want to stick around too long. Well, oh, holy crap. All right, yeah, let's just I'm trying to get a good view for you guys because I don't know if you guys can see all the crazy lightning, man. Like, if you guys, the thing is, if you guys don't live in South Florida or Central, well, I guess like in that region in general, because I know sometimes Texas gets it too. But man, like, all right, usually we don't take like Category 1, 2, 3 hurricanes that serious. But wow. Even the local gas station, every single gas station has been beyond packed. Yo, people are going wild, bro. Wild. Look at this. Look at the line for the gas station. And I'm over here you know, I should be conserving gas, and I will. But wow, bro, look, they're even running out of gas. A lot of stations ran out of regular. But if you have E85, now is the time, man. It's just bananas because, like I said, usually we don't take it too serious when it's like a Category 1, 2, maybe 3. But now we're actually getting hit almost directly by a Category 4. Which everybody is going bananas right now. Thankfully, I think a state of emergency was declared early, so that way we can get cheap gas prices, because right now Supreme 93 is at $2.89, which is actually, I think, the lowest I've seen it. Hopefully let's not get hit. Oh, look at this Stingray. Yeah, that's the lowest that I've seen premium gas for a while. So that helped out a lot. Look at that, they taped off. They taped off the gas. Look at this. Oh my God. Yo, bro, between the crazy lightning and these gas lines, bro, hey, Miami people, we don't know how to act right now. Everybody's going bananas right now. So I'm honestly just trying to like film the craziness, because even in the streets right now, bro, everybody's driving like they're like crazy. You get me? Like, I don't know if they're just trying to rush to gas stations or just trying to get home to be safe, but that is not the way to do it. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of update you guys, because also because of the hurricane, you know, we tend to get hit pretty hard. Whenever we do get a hurricane, it's usually pretty bad. Like, I think the last one that hit us was I can't remember the name, but I think it was like a Category 4 but downgraded as soon as it hit the Keys or Miami. But Homestead, where I live, it got pretty banged up. Homestead and mostly the Keys received like the hardest part of the hurricane. And we live in a flood zone. I'm not gonna put gas in my car right now, because with this kind of hurricane, I can't even promise that my car will still be here. So I'm still nervous about that. And I hope nothing happens to Monica, but you know, there's no point for me to fill up this car with gas. When hurricanes come, usually the roads are full of debris, so I can't even move my car around anyways. I'm not even gonna waste my time. I'm gonna waste out the gas that I have and just kind of enjoy it for what it is. And I know it sounds kind of negative, but I'm taking the car for like one last rip, because this just might be the very last drive I get in my car. I don't know. I'm trying to get as much content as I can for you guys, because I don't want to miss any days, but I can't promise anything, since, you know, with this rain, with this storm, I don't know what's gonna happen. I know Danny Z, he lives on the other side, and I know he's probably just as nervous. So, you know, you guys just wish us luck, man. Put us in prayers. I don't know what you believe in, but just help us out. Like, what the hell? Oh my God, with all this road debris and stuff. Just wish us luck, because it's pretty hectic. Everybody's pretty scared out here. Usually, like I keep saying it, but usually we don't care. Usually this isn't a big deal, but now, ever since it became a Category 4, man, everybody's lost their crap. Like nobody knows how to think anymore. No one knows how to drive anymore. Not like Miami people knew how to drive anyway, but now it's even worse. And now there are green Mustangs. Like, ugh. I wanted to get a couple of rips on the car, maybe shoot some flames, save gas, you know, the usual, and just kind of get a quick video out for you guys and also update you, because if you don't hear from me for a while, it's mainly because I don't have power. Last time I was out of power for like, I think it was what, like a couple of days. So a couple of days, no power means no AC, no internet, and the cellular service was down for like a couple of days. So it's not even like you can go on social media to pass time. Nah, bro, we playing Monopoly, fool. That's what we doing. I want to shoot some flames though. We gotta shoot flames. I feel like that's a staple in this channel. If we don't shoot flames, unsub me. Hopefully we can get a nice fun little pool here. So much, but I don't know if you guys are seeing all this crazy lightning. Like, this is bananas. Everywhere you go, crazy lightning. Wow, I have never been distracted doing a pool before in my life until now. That was crazy, because right off camera, Norgang, oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and sink lower because my big behind. Though half the time you guys can only see headrests, and hopefully that's not happening right now. But wow, the lightning itself is so freaking so distracting. I don't know how you guys feel about lightning, because to me it's beautiful and cool and scary at the same time, because I'm like, oh, look at those big old bolts, and then I think, wow, I'm about to die. I'm gonna stop standing under these trees. I'm going inside. Thank you, sir. Goodbye. But man, this is absolutely bananas. I've never, and since obviously, wow, no. We're going home. Yeah, I'm just thinking I'm gonna turn around, because this is just crazy. It's pandemonium, excitement. It's Noir.TM. Stuck in traffic. What the freak? Don't tell me there's traffic. No. Oh man. Oh, what? Another Z. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, oh, am I finna catch you? Ooh. Oh, you turning right, son? Oh, what? Hey, you about to end up in the vlog, sir. Let's see. And he low too? Dang, and it's a Nismo? What? Oh, you rich. Oh, you come here. Hey, you come here. I love my car. Yo, hey, say what's up to the vlog. I don't know that guy, but he's in the vlog, baby. I was like, yo, I don't know who you are, bro, but thank you. That was pretty funny. Traction control, stop it! Is just lighting up everything, like, bro, oh my gosh, guys, this wow. But hey, that was pretty cool though. It's funny to see another Z guy, man. That was dope. Oh, you know you know we about to go into that tunnel, baby. You know what we gotta do, Norgang. You know what we gotta do. You know what we gotta do, Norgang. You know what we gotta do. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Oh my god. felt that in my chest again. What is going on? All right, well, back to normal, back to sanity. Dude, I think I'm having way too much fun doing this. Like, this is what I'm doing right now is really stupid, but whatever. Time to go back to the house. All right, Noir gang, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, unfortunately I wasn't able to kind of do a lot of the content I wanted to do because I still want to put on the Nismo rear bumper. I have a new fuel pump that I need to put in, and there's actually quite a bit of installations that need to go on. But with this category 4, it's just, there's realistically no time to worry about all that stuff. We need to like kind of just get ready with food, water, all the necessities. I'm charging everything. I'm gonna try to get these things done, have a scheduled upload so that way there's still content coming out while power is down, because if it's anything like last time, we might be out of power for maybe like a week or something. So that means no AC, no hot water, no nice luxuries. Everybody always wants to live in South Florida but doesn't know the kind of issues that we deal with. But thank you guys for watching. At the end of every video, make sure you like and subscribe and give me a kiss.